Welcome to the demo tutorials of Child Journal. In this video, you'll understand how to use the Recurring Plans option in the web application. Start by locating your dashboard. Then, click on Billing and select Recurring Plans. The Recurring Plans option automates the invoice process in an effort to minimize how often you log in to create an invoice. Now, you should have been directed to a new window where you can see a history of invoice plans that have already been created and a Create Plan button on the top right that lets you create an invoice plan. Start by creating an invoice plan. When you've entered this window, you should be able to see all of the functions that help you create your invoice plan. Start by entering your plan details. Then, select how often you want to send a recurring invoice by choosing an option from the drop-down. Next, choose when you want to send it, the due date, when you want to end the recurring plan, and then choose what the invoices are for. You should then notice a green bar with details of your entries. To continue, add the invoice type from the drop-down, notes if you have them, and the fee for services. You can then save your plan. Now, to add the students you want to invoice, simply select the Tag Student button to choose from the list of students. Then, select Activate to allow your invoices to begin taking effect. If you need to modify your plan, simply select the Edit icon on the right to make your changes. You can also choose to discard a plan if you find the need to. You have now finished understanding the Recurring Plans option in the web app. Don't forget to check out the rest of our demo videos for any future help.